Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to check the login devices on Instagram. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top right of the screen and tap on them. Step 4. Within the menu, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Next, tap on Account Center. Step 6. Now, scroll down and tap on Password and Security. Step 7. Finally, tap on Where you're logged in to check the devices that are currently logged into your Instagram account. And there you have it. You can now easily check the login devices on your Instagram account using these simple steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy Instagramming!